birthday song. Ready? Again. Mr. Pitching. Oh, there you are, buddy. Okay, let's just sing happy birthday.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Station. Introducing our host for today.
What do you want to say to them?
Waiting, buddy. So welcome to Cebu Safari's first show.
So here's our twin global bossing Kyle and Carl. But wait, everyone, there's more. So we have a total of 6 Buwan on Mapasing, Harry, Martin, Animat, Talent, Carl, and wondering whatever environment they are in, it becomes quiet normal for them. So if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And for their diet, they love a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables, and they also So we prepared 2 tests for job one. First, we will be having the spelling test. So I have here 5 animal pictures. We have the snake, the zebra, a tiger, camel, and a horse. Now, I want you to choose one animal picture. So kanyang pilihan. Louder. Tiger. Okay, let's have tiger with Mr. James. Well, Mr. Edward, first letter of the letter C. How about the second one? What did you choose? Yes. Very good. You picked up letter I. Oh, and slowly, buddy. Okay, for the third letter, you chose letter G. Slowly. Alright, for you picked up letter E. Slowly, please. Okay, very good. You picked up letter R. Now, tiger spells Tiger. So, it's too easy for jumble. Now, let's try to make it more difficult. So, sandpinners have golden plumage from their head down to its underparts and green wings. And the young sandpinner appears more olive green in color. So, it's another mating partner. So, for their lifespan, sandpinners can live up to 20 to 25 years in the wild, while in captivity, they can live up to 30 to 35 years. Thank you so much, Mr. Round. So we have here our black cap and rainbow lorries, and inside this slaughter is a honey, because they love eat honey, nectar, pollen. But here in the park, they are fed with variety of seeds, fruits, good, and giving the queen of pollen. Alright, now buy Sunny and buy 100. Now let's do it with your 5. 1, 2, and go. Now, toucans are omnivorous, meaning they eat meat from small mammals, smaller birds than them, as well as variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Yeah, it fell down. No? They just hop on between branches and flap their wings vigorously until they reach a certain destination. Another one. So there are a total of 40 toucan species around the world. One thing they have in common is their large and colorful bill. Okay, well, I guess you're ready for the first song, so let's do the first song. Again, whoa! I love you more than I can. Hawk, Eagle name? Hunter. Eyes a little more, buddy. Very good. Alright. Nice. Don't we? Okay, now we have here Mr. Ryan. He has the real brain because Hunter will not let go of the lure without user, Mr. Ian is wearing a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of the bird. And this bird is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat law. For this diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. Now, our applause our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Alright, hi, Marina. You're the symbol of love and peace. Prosperity and harmony, our group of pigeons. And also our scarlet ibis all the way from South America. And last but not the least, our professional bird tuner, Mr. Akan, all the way from Singapore. Together with Luman mga talim, Dan. And you're truly, my name is Anne, and I'm from
It's the greatest sensation. It's the place that sets you free.